Good morning, class 8 students. Class 8 students, today we are going to start a new topic because previous topic we have already done in the class. So I sent just only a homework. Today this lecture is very important because this lecture is based on the reactions that are the exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction and their importance. First, we know what are the substance. As substance, they have given us the definition. As substance undergo a chemical change or chemical reaction when energy is changed. So the change in energy of a substance take place by absorbing or releasing heat or a light. Means today our topic is based on energy that must be absorbed or released, or they are the release the heat or absorbs the heat. So on the basis of this, the change in energy, these chemical reactions are classified into the two types. One is the exo and other is the endothermic reaction. First, we know what are the exo. Exo means outside, and thermic means heat. It means exothermic reaction are those reaction in which a heat is released by the substance and surrounding become a hot. Burning is the example of a exothermic reaction. बर्निंग क्या है? बर्निंग इज द फॉसल फ्यूल, डेली बेसिस पे कोल है, गैस है, दीज आर द burning points, and they have to discuss three reaction ke how carbon and oxygen and other gases are burned and release the heat in our environment. First they have given the carbon and oxygen, it will become the carbon dioxide and heat must be go out in the surrounding. So this is called the exo mean exit होना, exit mean outside, निकल जाना. आपने वो रिएक्शन करना है जिसके अंदर हीट जो है वो एग्जिट हो रही है. when you are writing the exothermic reaction, heat must be given out. If you are not write the heat given out, your reaction will not be the complete reaction. So second one is the methane and oxygen, it will become the carbon dioxide and water, and again heat is given out. Third one is the iron and the sulfur, it will become the iron sulfide and again heat is given out in the surrounding. So these are the exothermic reaction. Firework are also the example of the exothermic reaction, surrounding become the hot and also a light during the exothermic reaction. Next one is the activity, we will not do this activity. Next we will do the endothermic reaction. Endo mean inside mean heat will be add in your reaction. The reaction during which heat is absorbed by the substance from the surrounding are called the endothermic reaction. Thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate to produce carbon dioxide on commercial scale, that is called the endothermic reaction. For example, calcium carbonate CaCO3 plus heat mean when we do this reaction, हम इसके अंदर क्या करेंगे? हीट ऐड करेंगे. must be added the heat with this reaction, then we will get the calcium oxide and the carbon dioxide. Also they have given a one activity of exothermic reaction, we will not do this activity. Next reaction we will do, that is the nitrogen and oxygen and heat. You see in the endothermic reaction they are added the heat in the reaction side, and in the exothermic reaction they are added the heat in your product side. It means when they added the heat in your product side mean heat is given out, and when they are added the heat in your reaction side, it means heat is added mean added in this reaction, and then you will get the final product, that is the nitric oxide. Hydrogen plus iodine, then add the heat, it will become the hydrogen iodide. These are the reactions and you must learn it and write these exo and endothermic reaction on your neat copies. Next are the importance of the exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction have very important and also the importance in our daily life. They are extensively used to fill our need of heat energy in various purposes. The heat energy is released to burning the fuel at home used for cooking, and also are during a burning of petrol in our engines, and also are used in the force of the piston turns in the wheel. Heat produced burning fuel in the thermal power, heat produced during digestion of our food, and also are dynamite and gunpowder also highly exothermic reaction. Dynamite and a form of the explosions. Explosion का मतलब होता है धमाके के लिए भी ये यूज़ होती है. Such explosions are used as the ब्लास्टिंग ऑफ माइंस. मीन के जो भी माइंस वगैरह हैं, गार है जिनके अंदर कोयला है या जितने भी सॉल्ट वाली माइंस हैं, वहाँ पे ये धमाके के साथ इसको धमाका करते हैं इसका, तो वो सॉल्ट ओपन हो माइंस ओपन हो जाती हैं. वहाँ से जो भी मिनरल्स और कोयला निकालना होता है तो वो बाहर आ जाता है. ठीक है, तो ये इसके क्या है यूजेस हैं, इंपॉर्टेंस हैं. आगे इंपॉर्टेंस जो हैं वो एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन के हैं. कुकिंग ऑफ एन एग इज जनरली कंसिडर फिजिकल change into a chemical but broken in a process. The unwinding of protein during cooking is an endothermic reaction. Evaporation of liquid is endothermic reaction. कोल्ड पैक कंटेन लिक्विड बैटर, जैसे कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स वगैरह हैं इनको पैक करते हैं प्लास्टिक बैग वगैरह के अंदर, तो ये भी क्या है एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन है. और ये रिएक्शन जो है व्हेन यू ब्रेक द प्लास्टिक बैग इनसाइड इट वाटर मिक्सेस विद द साल्ट एब्जॉर्ब्स अंडरगो द केमिकल रिएक्शन. द टेम्परेचर ऑन द सॉल्यूशन फॉल टू अबाउट 35 Fahrenheit to 15 minutes. This is the best example of exothermic reaction. कोल्ड पैक्स आर यूज टू ट्रीट इंजरीज ड्यूरिंग द स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज. मीन्स के एक कोल्ड पैक का मतलब होता है कि ऐसी गैस को हम क्या करते हैं कि वो नाइट्रेट्स अमोनियम नाइट्रेट को एक प्लास्टिक बैग में, ये बेसिकली है मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट, उसमें इसको पैक करने के बाद फ्रीज़ कर देते हैं, जो कि उसने लिखा है 15 मिनट्स में 35 Fahrenheit तक वो सोल्यूशन जो है वो फ्रीज़ हो जाता है 10 मिनट्स में. और फिर वो जिसको हम कहते हैं कि पैक हैं, कोल्ड पैक हैं, जो जहाँ इंजरीज होती हैं प्लेयर्स वगैरह की, वो फ़ौरन उसको कोल्ड पैक वहाँ पे लगाते हैं, तो वो इंजरीज के लिए अच्छे होते हैं. यू लर्न दिस 2 टॉपिक्स आल्सो.